Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover power machines in 6. The topic of this tutorial is thermodynamics, question 1.2, and this is the non-flow of energy equation. The question is included in the video. We've been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in power machines. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Our example states, in the compression stroke of an internal combustion engine, the heat rejected to the cooling water is 45 kilojoules. So, Q, the heat rejected, is minus 45 kilojoules per kg. The work input, so the input work, work is also minus 90 kilowatts. Calculate the change in internal energy of the working fluid, stating whether it is gain or a loss. So, what we have to do is our formula works like this. Q equals U sub 2 minus U sub 1 work plus work. Now, what we have here is minus 45 equals U2 minus U1 minus 90. What this sum is denoting is the fact that is there gain or loss in the system. So if we just bring this 90 over to here, it'll be 90 minus 45 equals U2 minus U1. Now, these are both your internal pressures and units of heat and things like that. This is internal. This is for the whole system. So this is internal and that's for the whole system. We don't have anything internal to do. So this will equal 0. So U2 minus U1 in this particular case equals to 0. So 90 minus 45 is equal to 45. And so because it's a positive 45, it is a gain of plus 45 kilojoules per kg. And that is the end of our sum. So we gained 45 kilojoules of energy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you would like more videos like this, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.